Yeah, welcome back, guys. All right, welcome back. So we want to continue from where we stopped the other time. Okay, I want to show you a live one right now. Okay, I want to play some of an ads right now. Okay, so uh, after that's what to do. Make sure you change to the page you are using currently. We want to use Benson Digital. Okay, so we have changed to Benson Digital like that. So we have to have explained all this objective for us. We know the objective already. All right, so without wasting our time, without wasting our time, let's go straight to the message ads. We are using the message ads. We are using the message ad. All right, we are using this. Okay, so let's go there immediately. All right, I want to show you a brief one. Okay, so you can pick what you have used before. That's in page image. You can pick your camera roll. You can pick your camera roll. Okay, you can pick from your camera roll. You can flip from an ad image what you have used for ad before. Okay, that it is I've used before. You can pick from Instagram if you have connected your Instagram. I've not connected this is a new account. All right, so I'm going to use page image. Okay, I'm going to use this. All right, so once you are done with that, set it properly. Once you're okay, once you're okay, I think I'm okay like this. Okay, this for my upcoming class. If you have not joined that class, hit me up now to join the class. It's a free class on how to create product, digital product. All right, so they are the one that will enjoy this. All right, so I'm going to the next thing. Okay, I've told us is that you use Messenger, WhatsApp Business, or Instagram. Okay, I've not connected my WhatsApp Business to this, so I'm not going to use Messenger right now. But it depends on where you want them to come. Where you want them to come. All right. So Ed9, yes, Ed9. Let me quickly explain Ed9 to you guys. Ed9, okay. As you can see, Ed9. I don't want this. Ed9, okay. Your Ed9 is just like the title, okay, that your ad will carry. All right, just like the title that your ad will carry. Okay, I'm still going to explain to us some component of ads so that you know how the Ed9 will show when your ad is live. So the Ed9, okay, be like a title. All right, so how you want them to chat your message will get there. Your primary text, when you get there, you're going to see primary text. Primary text explain the content, the copy. Copywriter will know the copy that will drive people to buy. The copy, okay. So that is what that one will do for us. Okay, so let's just start. Ed9, okay. So they have already put you chat in Messenger. So you have to change it. Okay, I have an Ed9 already. Okay, if you get to this class also, you should know how to generate headlines for yourself with all these AI tools. Alright, this is the headline I'm using. Oh, this is the headline I'm using. So this is my headline. This is my headline. Okay, grab the ingredients for creating. Why did I do it? For creating digital products. Alright, that is my headline. Okay, so primary text. Alright, I've already saved them. Let me just copy. Let me just go and copy it. Let me just go and copy it. So we're gonna paste my primary text. That is the body. All right. Make sure it is something that is catchy. Are you tired of creating product that fail to gain attention in the market? Do you want to take your business to the next level? Or it's like a questioning. So this proving so copywriters will understand that. All right. So once you are done with that, okay, move to the next thing. All right. The next we have here is special ad. If your ad is related to credit, no, we are not related to that. So message template. Once they come to your DM, there are some default message templates. Okay, you suggest what they really want for them. All right, so you can edit it. If you don't want, you close it. If you want, you suggest what they should ask you. All right, like this my book now. I'm going to suggest something that relates to this book. Okay, so this is greetings. Okay, this is once they click on your ad, what they will get to. what they will do, once they click on that thing, that is what, just like autopilot, just like, sorry, just like all these autoresponder. Okay. Okay. Their name there. So after that, frequently asked question, can I know more about your business? I think I'm okay with that. Can you tell me more about your ad? No. Uh, I'm gonna change this. You can just try something that goes with your ad. Okay. Uh, what will I put here? I think I'm okay with that. Okay, let's just leave it like that. All right. So you can preview. Sorry. You can preview to see what will happen. You can preview it. This is what will happen. Immediately they type and they enter through your messenger. Okay. If you preview this in messenger, this is what will happen also. Preview in messenger. Can you connect to my messenger? Okay, they have sent it to my messenger. Okay. So once I open my messenger, I will see something. Can you see? Can you see? Hi, Jennifer Christ. Hi, this is Jennifer Christ. Can you tell me your name? Okay. Okay, so immediately that person enter my DM, this is what it will bring to that person. So immediately you supply the name, the remaining question will pop up. All right, I believe you understand that. So we already activate that. Let's go back. We already activate that. Placement, yes, this placement you have to be careful here. Placement, okay, placement. All right, so this placement now you have to look at it. Who and who we are placing. I'm not going to use recommend. I'm going to use manual placement. Okay, anything you want. Where they will show you how to. So device type, desktop or mobile, put it there. Unless you know that what you are trying to advertise, you want only mobile people with smartphone to access it. Okay, like if we are organizing a class now, desktop people cannot enter those class. They won't be serious with the class. Okay, so you can easily click on it and untap the desktop. All right, but I need both for my. So look at this now. Platform I want this thing to show on Facebook. I want it to show on Facebook, but I only want this to show on the feed. You can decide. I want it to show on the feed. So on click feed and stories. On click the rest. Okay. Okay, so I'm okay with that. Instagram, yeah, you want to show on Instagram, okay. Where to you should let it show on this too. Okay, you tap audience. Don't forget, the more you are clicking on this thing, the more you are leaving, the more the charges will be. Please be wise. Some people still like, some of you are so greedy. I want it to show in everything. The more Facebook will. Okay, so I tap all this. I don't want a messenger also. I don't want a messenger also. I on tap. It depends. Okay, if you have the money, put it there. They will show you to everything. Okay, they will show you audience letter. Is some people boom player. You will see your house on boom player. Sometimes you see your house on autoresponder. All this advert on Google. You see your that is audience network. Okay, that is audience network. But I don't want. I don't want. All right, so I untap it. Once I'm done, okay, so I click. I'm done with placement. So this is the review. Can you see? Benson Digital. Can you see? Can you see the Benson? This is the name. This is the page name. And this is, can you see? Are you tired of creating blah blah blah? That is uh our copy. Alright, that is our copy. So I move to the next thing. Audience, yes, audience. Audience. You have to be careful about this audience. So you have to look at the audience that you want. I'm still going to do a special video on how to do the audience issues. Okay, you have to tap on the audience. All right, so edit audience. People you want this ad to reach. All right, 18 should be okay. 65 years of age. I don't want 65 years of age. I don't want 65 years of age. Let me just say 50. All right, so include this location. All right, USA. Okay. So search for location. Okay, I want Nigeria. Generally, I want Nigeria as a country. All right, I want Nigeria as a country. Help me remove this United States. Yeah, I don't want United States. So you can remove United States. I want Nigeria as a country. All right. So I'm done with that. But I don't want north. I don't want the northern side. I don't want the northern side. Let me see. Northern Nigeria. Let me just say Kaduna. Anyway, you don't want Kaduna. Exclude them. All those. Sorry, maybe we have we have our own side. Most of them don't fancy all these kind of things. All right. So okay, I'm not putting anything. I'm not resisting anybody. Sorry, I'm not resisting anybody. Okay, I've excluded Kaduna. Okay, I'm not excluding anybody. All right, I'm not excluding anybody. Okay, gender all. Okay, data targeting. We're going to do that one. Include people who match. So people who match, we have to look at demographic. People who match what you are doing. Okay, people who match what you are doing. Digital. People who match what I'm doing. Digital marketer. Digital marketing online. Can you see? I click on that. Digital marketer. Who else? Small business owner. You just have to look at it, include those people. Small business owner. Okay. I'm not excluding anybody. So you just have to do that. You can do that again. You can do that again. They have suggest for you. Look at the suggested area. Look at the suggested area. They have suggest for you. Okay. So you can also use this suggested area. I love these people. Oh, don't go there like that now. Go back. Okay, so click on the plus sign. I've included online marketers. Click on it. Owners and CEOs, yes. Entrepreneurs, founder, advertising marketing. I think I'm okay like that. So you save it. Okay, you save that. Okay, we are not excluding anybody. Yeah, we are done with the target, but there are more to target. Okay, I will teach you that later. There are more to target. So once you are done with targeting, all right, update. Save as new audience. Yes, they are my new audience. Update existing audience. Okay, so you can save it as new audience. You can update it as an existing audience. So they are my new audience. Audience name. Oh, let me save as audience. Joe. Okay, let it be on my existing update as existing audience. All right. So for that as my existing audience. Okay. I did not remove this one. Okay. Or your stay because of that. Let me edit this audience. Okay, I'm not using your state, Joe. Okay, it's because of what I picked. All right, Nigeria, your state. I'm not doing that. Hope you are seeing what happened there. Okay, so because of the option I pick. All right, it's Nigeria I want. Nigeria generally. Nigeria generally. Okay. Yes, Nigeria generally. Okay, this is what I want. This is what I want. Okay, so I think we are good to go. Oh, it has affected all this one. Okay, recent. It does not affect. Digital marketing. All right, I think I've included this people before. I have to include it again. Small business owner. Small business owner. Um, technology adopter. So have to include those people there like that. Let's see what they suggest for us. Okay, business owner. Come on. Business owner. Pick this. You just have to look at it and see people that you can reach. Alright. Founder. Okay. So I think I'm okay like that. I'm not excluding anybody again. So yeah, let's save as new. Let's save as new. Digital marketing audience. That's my digital marketing audience. So I saved. All right. Okay. It has been saved like that. Let's move on. So the next one now is your budget. 15 minutes. Okay. Is your budget. Okay. This budget, pick daily. Pick daily. Okay. If you pick lifetime, that means you can keep running this thing. Keep running. That means you are going to be running this thing for lifetime. So it is daily. All right. Just pick daily. After I pick daily, run ad continuously. If you want to be running it continuously, it's not necessary. I'm not running it continuously. Okay. I'm not running this ad continuously. Yeah. No. Okay. All right. So you can start now or start later. I'm going to start later. I will set the time to start later. April 5. Okay, let me start. Okay, let me just pick anything. April 14. I'm not running the ads. Okay, time zone. Okay, so once you are done, you click on this. Okay, you can review your order. This is your order. Can I see our order? Okay, can you see our order? Boom. All right. Okay. Did I edit this send message? There's a place where I did this send message. Did I edit it? Yeah. Send message. All right. You can use a lot of things. Click on this, send message, order, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Since I'm giving this thing for free, once they get to my DM, they will send me a message. All right. So once you place your order, all right. So the schedule time, the campaign, 995 per day. That's my budget. Okay. 995 per day. All right. So can you see? All right. So your ad account is a special ad category. I don't have. What is there? So these are ad preview. I don't have any special ad category. All right. So let's say temporary printer. Okay. So that is what you need. Okay. Once you are at the last end, you place your order, and the order will definitely save for you. So once I place the order, boom, we get to it. I believe you have gained something. All right. So please tap on the subscribe button, like this page so that this thing can reach. So you have to do your own. Do your own. Don't spend money anyhow again. Learn how to do this thing on your own and earn massively. All right. Thank you guys. See you next.